welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. We're doing a hashtag JJ book review, junk journal book review. So I do comprehensive book reviews on books to help people to try to find the right book that they're looking for. And this one is a fun one. This is actually not a used book, but it's new condition. I did get it online, and I fell in love with it. I'm glad that I was not able to get to see the inside of this book, but you will, and so you'll know whether or not you would like this. So if you do recipe journals or farm journals, or you just like vintage advertising, this is definitely a book you might want to look for. This was from a used bookstore, but this is new condition. It's never been even looked at. You can tell by the pages, and it hasn't been opened. The crease is really hard. So let's take a look at this book. It's Culinary Ephemera, an Illustrated History by William Wose Weaver. Love the cover actually too. So let's take a measurement. This is a good size book. It is 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. And here is the spine. Culinary Ephemera in an Illustrated History. And then here is the back of the book, and I will show you the ISBN number so that you can pause the video and write it down if you would like. If I can hold it still for you. It's even got the barcode there. I will read it to you though if you want to write it down. 978-0-520-25977-5. It says manufactured in Canada. All right, let's take a look at this book. Hopefully I can get it all in frame here. There we go. All right, so this is not an old book. This is a book on vintage ephemera. So let's take a look here. So this is 2010 copyright, if you want to look it up. So this has almanacs, calendars, beer, wine, brochures, business cards, labels, matchbook covers, menus, postcards, sheet music, recipe, trade cards, Valentine's, wrappers and packaging, etc. This is what you're going to find in this book, and it is amazing. Even though the pages are glossy, you can absolutely use all of this ephemera. You can cut this all out and look at that. You can use all of these pages. So I'm going to flip through it because this is a pretty good sized book, but I mean, look at all of the look at that. Look at all this ephemera. Isn't that beautiful? That is just gorgeous. I love that. So let's keep going, and I will show you every page of this book so that you can see if this is something that you want. There is just so much to cut out and make into tags. It's just unbelievable. Love all of this. Sloppy Joe's bar. Here is some like vintage food labels, advertisements. Here's business cards. These are so fun to just to cut out, back it on to cardstock or like your file folders and make tabs and tags, pockets, flip outs. Oh, there's just endless. You can make, see, these are small. You can actually put it on, you know, a file folder, and then you can turn it sideways and make it as like a tab, a page tab. Look at this. This, you could make this into a belly band if you had the right size journal. Look at those. These are matchbook covers. Oh my gosh, these would be great because look at, you cut it out and you'd fold it in half and it's the right way, both sides. You could put it over top of a page or make a hidden paper clips with all these. Oh, that's what I'm going to do with these, the matchbook covers. What a great idea. I should be looking for matchbook covers at garage sales and whatnot, because that would be great. They would be great because nothing would be upside down. Okay, here, these are postcards. Look at all of those. And this is sewn in signatures, so actually you could use a whole page if you wanted to in a journal. Or maybe you're making glue books. You could use these pages for sure for glue books. And then collage all around it, and this would be the focal point. Okay, here's sheet music. Stoves, canning, and cooking classes. I think I got this book on Thrift Books, or I got it on Better World Books. And I want to recommend Better World Books because when you buy a book from them, they donate books to the needy, and I love that you're giving back also. So I use thriftbooks.com, Better World Books, Abe Books sometimes. I use, let me think, there's another one that I use too a lot. Oh, look at those. Remember those fans? Oh. Okay, and then we're at the end of the book. This is the bibliography, index, and so this is just all index pages, and then we're at the back of the book. All right, so huge book, nice and thick, full of retro images. So there you go. Thank you for joining me, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.